Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemon juice very tasty. Start with selecting the freshest, ripest lemons you can find. Their vibrant color and firm feel indicate peak flavor. Before cutting, roll each lemon firmly on your countertop for about 10 to 15 seconds. This simple step helps break down the internal membranes, allowing you to extract significantly more juice. Then, cut them in half crosswise and use a good reamer or juicer to get every last drop. Once you have your fresh lemon juice, the next step is balancing its tartness with sweetness. Simple syrup is ideal because it blends seamlessly without leaving a grainy texture. To make it, combine equal parts sugar and water, heating until the sugar dissolves. Start by adding about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of simple syrup per cup of lemon juice, tasting and adjusting as you go. A tiny pinch of salt can also surprisingly brighten the overall flavor. To elevate your lemon juice beyond the ordinary, consider infusing it with other delightful flavors. Fresh herbs like mint, basil, or even a sprig of rosemary can add an aromatic complexity. Slices of cucumber or a few thin pieces of ginger offer a refreshing, subtle kick. For a fruity variation, blend in a small amount of berry or peach puree. Don't forget a tiny bit of lemon zest. Its oils provide an intense, fresh aroma. For the most enjoyable experience, always serve your delicious lemon juice well chilled over plenty of ice. A simple garnish of a fresh lemon slice or a vibrant sprig of mint not only looks appealing but also adds to the aroma. For a special touch, you can rim your glass with sugar. If you prefer a lighter beverage, dilute your lemon juice with still water or sparkling water for a fizzy, refreshing option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.